Hi, this is Bruce Parker from MarineMax in Lindenhurst. I'm going to give you a little quick tour of the new 250 Sun Deck Outboard that we have here in our showroom in Copeg, New York. It is equipped with a new 250 horse Verado, the new series, a new look, beautiful motor. As you can see, there's a lot of seating room in this cockpit. It does have the nice woven cockpit carpet, but there's plenty of seating. The boat is rated for up to 14 people. And you'll see the stern seat here has a great option where if the kids are out swimming, you flip it back and now you have rear facing. Real great option. One more option is that whole seat that you see there will slide forward to give you more room on the swim platform. Plenty of cup holders all around on the base. The passenger seat also is nicely done. That also folds forward, and now you become part of the whole crowd. Got a nice 1.5 helm seat, great visibility. You'll see it has the optional Simrad electronic dash, digital dash on board. A great option. The head is forward, dead center here. It does have the pump out head option on it. Very large, a lot of storage in this boat. Plenty of storage under there. There's two different storage areas in the floor, also the cockpit. It does have the Fusion stereo. And then you have the walk-through to the bow on the port side. Nice and wide, plenty of room. And you have plenty of seating here in the bow. You have at least 3 wide facing stern, another 3 facing forward. You can see the stereo speakers on the side. Even some more cup holders on the side there. And there's a cooler up here also to keep ice and some soda, some water, what have you. And then on the bow of the boat, we have, as you can see, the forward beaching ladder. So you do have a ladder forward and you have a ladder stern. As you look back on the boat, see it's very large and extremely roomy. Does have the bimini top. This boat also does have the tonneau covers forward and aft. So come and see us here in Lindenhurst, and this is at the Copeg showroom right down the street. And you can see this beautiful 250 Sun Deck with our 250 horse Merc outboard. Hope to see you here soon. Thanks.